Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a set of nails on my practice hand because I haven't done a exciting set of nails to record really, and I don't want to leave my channel absent from videos, so I thought I would work out the hand and do a little design. And I am so sorry that you're gonna have to like break your neck a little bit to watch this beginning part. I didn't realise that my phone was recording the wrong way, so I didn't want to cut it out. I just thought I would leave it in and see how many of you turn your neck and have a little bit of a sore neck for a minute. But I do notice in a minute and I do change it back round, so please bear with me. So I'm starting off and creating a nail bed with CJP Honey Pearl. It's one of their new nail beds, nudes with shimmering. It's just beautiful. Placing my first bead backwards and then kind of building that shape that I want, and then going in with my cuticle bead and the apex bead, making sure it's all high. My wall is consistent all the way around. Making sure it's nice and neat. Doing a lot of work with my brush, so I haven't got to do so much filing, and then I will leave that to set. I'm then coming in with Banana. It's like a lovely yellow. It's not as bright as the one that was on the nail already, and it's more like a solid yellow rather than a clear yellow, if that makes any sort of sense at all. And then I'm coming in with Ultraviolet, and I'm just going to do like a stripy nail here. So then I'm coming in with a little bit of coconut milk. And then I think I picked up watermelon as well. We're not going to use watermelon throughout this set, but I just thought it would break down that purple yellow just a little bit and give a nice effect. So yeah, I'm just carrying on that stripe down the nail, adding the yellow, adding the purple, then adding a little bit of white to break it down just a little bit so it looks more well blended and not so harsh to the eye. And then I'm going to come in after that and put on some Mylar flakes, and these are from Chinty's Glitzy's Glitters. I've had them a while now, but I just thought they'd go really well and just make that nail really pop and stand out, and I thought it would be beautiful. So I'm just placing them on the nail, and then I'm going to leave them to set. So then on the index finger, I'm going to come in with Ultraviolet, and I'm just going to do the whole nail purple, and then I'm going to add some Mermaid Scales. They're like the smaller ones, not the larger ones that flick over and stuff. These are from Glitterati Nails. I've had these a long time as well, but I just thought I'd get out some of the bits that I don't really use and use them. So as you can see, just covering that nail in the purple, and then I'm going to apply a trail of the flakes. So now I'm going to show you me encapsulating this nail, because I don't know if you can clock on the ring finger. I did do a different design, and I did a different design on the pinky, but after I looked at them, I didn't really like them. I didn't think they flowed well. I just thought it looked really like a unicorn had just come and puked up everywhere, and it just did not look good. So after I encapsulated this nail, I went off film. I filed off the design on the ring finger and the pinky, which was super annoying, but hey, I'm sorry if you are now deaf because of Poppy. So yeah, basically what I did is filed off the design on the tip and then just carved around the nail bed again with a flat like barrel efile bit, and then I'm just going to come in instead and do this whole nail, the whole free edge in yellow, and then I'm going to do the pinky finger in purple and flakes and glitter. So now I'm coming in with some crystals. So I don't even know where these ones are from. I think they're from Hadra and the bling box that I have. So I'm just placing that one there. I'm going to place some volcano ones. These are from Nails by Annabelle. And some really small Swarovskis either side. I'll then do some more crystals along the index finger, following the trail of that glitter. And then on the pinky finger. And then I'm going to top coat. And then that is the finished design. The kids have just come home, so I'm going to end this voiceover now. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do.
Make sure you subscribe.
I love you all, and I'll see you all again in my next one. Bye!